Hi guys, so this is the Yeti Blackout microphone. Figured I'd show you. I got this off Amazon for about 90, I think it was about 95 quid. When I was in PC World earlier today, spotted them, and I think they're selling for about 120 quid, something like that. So a bit of a markup. Let's turn it that way so you can see. So get a bit closer. So that gives you an idea of what is included or what its specs are. Let's open it up. Failed at the first hurdle. There we go. So, what do we get in the box? It's a box inside a box. Can we... No, we don't need a pair of scissors. I have a pair of scissors. Hold on, I need to find them. Right, not sure where my scissors have gone. I had them this morning because I had to open the box from Amazon. But never mind. Improvise. One and two. Right, so what's included? Quite a long USB cable. Instruction manual. Might need to read that later, who knows. And then polystyrene. And then the Yeti itself. It's very well packed. It's very snug. It really doesn't want to come out. There we go. That. And there you have it, the Blue Yeti. One thing I do quite like is the fact you've got a volume control here. You've also got a mute button, and it weighs quite a bit, so it's not going to fall over, which is something I was wondering. But on the back you've got your different modes, and you've got a gain as well. On the bottom you've got your USB port, and you've got a headset port. Because I'm going to be playing on the PS4, what a lot of people seem to recommend is having this plugged into your PS4. It gets recognised as a headset, and then you basically plug your headset into here and just run it straight from that. Apparently it's meant to be quite good doing it that way, so I'm going to give that a try, and I'll let you guys know what happens. But yeah, that's the Blue Yeti, and non-slip pads, so that'll be quite good. On my desk it's quite a smooth surface, so yeah, that'll be quite good for making sure it doesn't slide anywhere. Yeah, there you go, that's the first